Happy Friday everybody and welcome back. This week's just going to be a really quick tutorial how to change your Cricut tool housing as well as how to change your blade when it gets dull. Okay, let's go! So our housing is here in clamp B. We're just going to pull back the lever to loosen it and this part pops out and you're just going to pull the blade out. This is your blade here, your blade housing, and if you can just see on the top, there's your blade peeking out the top. I'm going to go ahead and switch my fine point blade to my rotary wheel. So you just pop off the protective cover and there's your wheel. And you're just going to place it in the bracket. So I've got my replacement blade here. There's a blunt end and your sharp end is under the silicone piece here. So we're going to replace our blade by pushing on the plunger at the end and pulling it out. And there's our blunt blade. We can get rid of that. Now we're going to take off our cap and be really careful you don't cut yourself. These are super sharp. So you're just going to take your blunt end, guide it in, and it will snap in. Just like that. And now you're all set to put it back in the machine. Just set it there, close up the silver, and push the white, and you're good to go. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you found this video helpful and informative, please consider giving my channel a subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Be kind to someone. See you later.